Hey there, listen, are you sick and tired of depending financially from somebody else? Be that your mom, your spouse, your partner, your parents, your trust, whatever it is. Are you sick and tired of not being able to capitalize on that gold mine between your ears? Because you know it's worth its weight in gold. You just don't know how to go about capitalizing on it and having it generate cash that you can depend on, that brings you that financial freedom for yourself and for you to do whatever it is that you want to do. Listen, I totally get that because I've been there. I've been dependent on others for financial freedom, if you will. And it's one of the most frustrating things in the entire freaking world. So I totally hear you, I feel you. And this is exactly why we've created Her Money School. Her Money School app is completely free for you to download. And it gives you the tools that you need in order to start capitalizing, whether it's through your career, your business, or reworking your money mindset. Capitalize on that gold mine you have in here. Because guess what? It's worth its weight in gold and you deserve to get paid for it. I'm gonna show you how. So go ahead, download HMS for free and come join a community of incredibly ambitious women who are done with settling for less than we deserve. See you in there.